A concept that the wealthy understand that the poor middle class do not is they understand they have to invest their money that they work hard for into things that have a fixed supply, or at least some type of finite supply and predictable supply. They understand that all the value that they create, they get paid in something called fiat currency, which has an infinite supply, and every single time something relatively bad happens in the economy or in the stock market, the Federal Reserve just prints more money and just throws trillions into the air. And what does that do? That debases the currency. That makes the value that you worked very hard for go down if you're holding the value that you work hard for in cash. So the wealthy understand they got to take the cash and they got to place that cash into assets that have a fixed supply, finite supply, or at least a predictable supply, such as gold, precious metals, commodities, cryptocurrency, real estate. And that's why this wealth gap is going to continue to grow, and it's going to get exponentially worse because there is no changing the exponential move that we've made into debasing the currency. Every single time something bad happens, the US just prints more money and lowers interest rates, and it just creates a higher and higher problem and a larger debt ceiling. And there's no way that we get unaddicted to the money printer.